Coolant is the lifeblood of CNC machining. Consistent parameters are crucial to optimal machine performance. Manual coolant testing is time-consuming and often overlooked. Current automated monitoring devices are expensive and not user-friendly. Finally, there is an alternative. Introducing the Liquid Tool Coolant Manager, a solution that saves you time and money while taking out the guesswork. Designed to function with any system and any conditions. The Liquid Tool Coolant Manager is the first truly plug-and-play coolant managing system. It installs in minutes and easily links to your smart device. Real-time measurements and readouts at the push of a button. Instant notifications when coolant needs attention and no upkeep or calibration required. Keep your machines running strong and your mind on your work. The Liquid Tool Coolant Manager. Peace of mind and ease of use.